Now I'm going to show you how to connect to Stripe, which is the last process of the welcome screen creation. You can see we're 75% complete right now, so that's the last step. So I'm going to walk you through that. There's a couple steps involved in connecting your Stripe. So we click Connect to Stripe, and now we see a Stripe settings page where at the top we have API keys. So we need restricted and publishable keys. So we'll need to add them here. And then we've got webhook instructions. So this looks a bit daunting, but there's only two webhooks, and I'm going to walk you through it. And you only need to do it once. So now we're going to add Stripe keys. So you can see publishable key and restricted key. Publishable key is the easier one to add, so that's at the top here. Now, if you see at the top, the description says developer tab, click the developer tab and API keys. But if you click this button, you'll go directly to the page in Stripe, in your Stripe account. Now you can see the keys here. I'm going to turn on test mode because we're on our testing server. So now you see standard keys here and publishable key there. So you're going to copy that. So click to copy. Then we come back here and we press paste. So that's the publishable key. Now we need to do the restricted key. So there's a few steps involved here. You can see it's down here. I've already added this, but I'm going to click do the create just to show you. So I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to quickly copy the URL just for ease here. So I'm going to click here, copy the URL. Now I'm going to go back. So you click create restricted key, and now you want to provide this to another website. And then you're going to click continue. So now in under name, you're going to add SplitSum. And then we're going to paste the URL. And we're going to click customize permissions for this key and click continue. So now you've got all the permissions for this key that you want to give. So I'm going to do some blanket permissions here. So we need permission to read and write for Connect on all core resources here. We need to add write permission for Connect checkout resources. So we're going to need this one as well, billing resources. So we're going to do write permission for the Connect accounts. And then we need all Connect resources, click write. So we're going to need issuing, so write on both of those. And then we need identity, so we're going to have to tick these individually. And we're going to need payment links, so we're going to have to tick that on the Connect accounts. And we need terminal, so we're going to have to tick that on both, make sure it's ticked on both. And that's it. So now you'll select create key. I'm not going to actually do it because we're on a testing server, but you would click create key. Um, and then you would be redirected back here, and your key would be here. So you're going to click it to copy. And now you're going to go back to SplitSum and paste it in the field below. And then you click submit. So now that's done. Your keys are in. You don't have to do it ever again. It's a one-time thing.